Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to easily connect your Telegram bot to N8N. So let's begin. So first off, do a new workflow or an existing workflow, whatever you want, and let's go with a trigger this time. You can choose a regular node or a trigger, but we're gonna go with trigger. You write T for Telegram, and we're gonna choose on message because we want a message bot. Alright, so you'll be right here, and the first thing you do, I already did it, but you want to create your new credentials. So you will need your access token. Leave the URL alone. To get the access token, all you have to do is to open Telegram. So open Telegram, go to botfather. You'll find just write botfather here. You will find this guy. So open him up, and the first thing that you're gonna get is this, a list of commands that you're gonna use here. First thing is slash new bot to create your new bot. All right. And then you have to give it a name. At first, I made the mistake. You have to write the name and then underscore bot. So I tried this for a couple of times. They were all taken until I landed on this Mr. Ninja Generation 3000. So this worked and it created our bot. All right. And this is the access token that you want. So copy this, go here and paste this. So now you click save and the connection is established. With it being established, we can test it out. So execute this step. So it's now listening. Let's go to our bot and just give it a message like hello there, for example. So if we do that, look at that. If you go back here, you get the first name, the ID, the last name, and what the user said. So that's how you guys can connect Telegram to anything. It's super simple. Again, you don't have to use the trigger. You can use a regular node. So I hope I found this helpful, and goodbye.